welcome to That Sounds Holy. I'm Vanya.
Hello!
And I'm finally here.
Nakinig na natin yung boses ni
After
Vanya.
2 episodes.
After
so
2
sorry.
EPs.
Through my fault.
EPs.
Through my fault.
After 2
We're
cockroaches.
here?
Yan.
Here.
Ito.
Okay.
Sila.
Sino? Sila. Hello.
Kayo.
Yeah.
Tayong lahat.
She's here after 2 episodes.
I'm so sorry. Bawi ako next time. Umay kayo sa akin.
Solo
Sa
episodes si
kanya na
Vanya,
lang,
mga
oo.
6 episodes.
Sa kanya na lang yung ASMR episode.
So, kamusta ka naman? I'm fine. Sarili mo lang, no?
Anyway, so now that I'm here, I'm gonna try my best to establish some order in my mind because I'm not usually the order person. But for this episode, we're gonna talk about rest or like slowing down.
Ooh.
Yes.
Sige. So ayo.
Oh, God! Wow! Pew, pew! Shot to the fire.
Nakapagdalawang nap ako eh. Sorry, for context guys. Sila muna nag-record kasi nalita ako. Ng dalawang oras.
Sinabi mo,
Actually,
tinago
hindi
na nga
na-
namin yung last 2 episodes. Tas
Hindi
binanggit mo yun.
namin ni-reveal kung ba't wala ka.
sige,
Pero-
ikakat na lang natin to.
Hindi, wag
Hindi,
mo
wag
i-cut.
na.
Wag mo
Namin
i-cut.
No,
Sorry.
so,
Walang cut-cut.
pwede na bang mag-start? Sige na, okay na. So,
Kami, kanina pa nag-start.
Go lang, go.
babawi ako. Bilan ko kayo ng Molly's. Molly's, baka naman. Anyway. Natry niyo naman Molly's Donut.
Oo. Ikaw din nagpatikim sa akin.
Oo nga.
Actually, ikaw din nagpatikim sa amin nun.
So, yun nga,
Nulit
backstory. Biglang bumuhos nung umalis ako ng condo. So, 2 oras akong pasikot-sikot lang kasi si Kuya di siya nag-skyway. Tapos nakapag-2 nap pa ako.
What?
Yeah. So, that was
Biglang ulan eh, no? As in, malakas.
Ang lakas.
yeah,
oo.
ako parang, tapos yung isa, may mahilik na.
Paano mo nalaman na may hilig ka kung tulog ka?
Hindi, yung
Hindi ka
nagising
ba
ka sa sarili
nagigising?
mong hilik. Yung parang,
Oo.
gumanon ka.
Ako di ako umihilik eh.
That was
Sarili
so
ko lang.
realistic.
Wow.
Yeah, so that was a very good nap. I felt rested. So speaking of rest,
Wow. Segway.
Galing ah. It only took you 7.5 minutes.
It did?
oh, are we
Hindi, joke
timing?
lang, joke. No.
Who's timing? Okay.
No, go.
No, so yun nga, because we're are we in the middle of the year? No, we're past the middle of the year. But this is the part of the year, especially if you're part of ministry. Actually, if you're part of any organization, this is where it's like game time. Sunod-sunod na yung events and everything.
Yeah.
So, and also because one of you guys asked about rest, no?
Slowing
Yes,
down and
slowing down.
unwinding.
Slowing
Unwind.
down. Yeah.
Why do you echo everything that I say?
Why do you echo everything that she says?
Why do I echo everything that both of you say?
Ito talaga yun, no? Pag 3rd episode na. Latak na.
Kami. Third episode
First mo pa lang, bam.
Wala akong excuse.
Third nap mo
Anyway,
ngayon.
so, sabi nila, ako daw mag-start ng,
Mag-lead,
May lead.
mag-lead ng topic na to kasi naka-sabbatical ako from ministry, which has been, tanungin niyo ako, kamusta?
Kamusta? Wait lang, kasi baka hindi nila alam what sabbatical means.
Ah, yeah.
Okay. What is a sabbatical? Can you explain?
Nag-sabbatical ka, tapos di mo alam, no? Ayun pala ibig sabihin nun.
Ano ba?
So, sabbatical came from the root word sabbath
Okay.
and ikaw.
Sabat and ikal.
Wait.
Sorry, okay. Ano ba? Sabi ko magiging maayos na ako kasi
Oh,
nagpahinga
wala.
ako, diba?
Sabat.
Pero parang hindi totoo yun.
Oo nga.
Sabat and ikal. Benta sa akin yun. Out of how many years ating friendship ba niya? Oh my gosh.
Okay,
Okay.
so sabbatical is when you take a break from ministry lang ba? Tama na ba?
You're anything.
From work.
Yeah.
From anything.
From work, or in my case, it's in the context of ministry. So, yun nga, because I feel like, nagpapahinga naman ako from time to time. But I feel like since I worked as a full-time church worker, like a missionary, so we have like youth missions and
Yeah.
then may feast worship, and then there's
Yeah.
also in our home
Worship
feast,
ministry, yeah.
ganyan. So parang medyo sunod-sunod ako. So when I resigned from youth ministry as a missionary, I kind of felt the nudge to finally take a proper once and for all proper sabbatical. So I took a break from. I'm still taking a break from, from everything ministry.
How long?
2 months,
Mm-hmm.
and it's good. I think 2 months is the perfect
Sweet spot.
So
sweet
lang
spot
siya, yeah.
because like sa first month nag-a-adjust pa lang yung katawan ko na
Wala
wala
kang
akong
ginagawa.
masyadong ginagawa.
Yeah.
Who am I? Kung
The Lord of all the earth would care to know my name.
Tuwit pa nga.
Wala pa tayo na
my God,
nasasabing may
Okay,
substance.
sige. So, ayun. So, first month of the sabbatical, parang my body's still getting used to it. So, pag...
Alis tayo na 4 weeks.
Okay naman.
So, the second month is just the month where I feel like, right now, ito yung start.
Hanggang oras to?
Okay, go.
Ano, 1, 2, 3, go. So, ito yung month na parang, I'm really starting to just, okay, like settle in.
Mas
Yeah,
na
yeah.
naman na.
Yeah, parang pahinga na ako, ganun. I mean, from ministry.
But everything else.
I sumingot sa microphone. Anyway. Okay, so.
Wala. Ang dami nila ikakat.
Hindi, walang cut.
No,
Ito na ba yung episode na walang cut?
No, so ayun. So, di ba kinamusta mo ako?
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Kamusta?
So, tatanungin ko yung kamusta ni Isa.
Kamusta?
Hindi. So, I was thinking, this is one of the things, I guess, that the sabbatical has really kind of taught me. The, yung parang, to just, I mean, I used to laugh at things a lot, but as a coping mechanism.
Okay. Okay. You've learned to...
I've learned to, what's the word? I think,
enjoy
I've,
things?
yeah, leisure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been reacquainted with leisure. Kasi nga ngayon, I mean, I still have jobs from time to time. I mean, I teach, like, I still have students for voice. Pero, parang, ngayon kasi, natututunan ko ng parang, to just enjoy things more.
Yeah.
Kasi nga, because may nawala,
Okay.
which is my
Yeah.
time that I put in ministry.
You're now more receptive to what's happening.
Yeah, and yung nag-replace sa nawalang time na yun is, I guess, enjoyment. That I kind of forgot because,
Yeah.
you know, mga tropa kong acts of service.
Yep.
If you wanna like just really love the people around you, it's through like best through what we do, right?
Yeah,
diba?
yeah.
So parang doon, I really kind of learned that. So, I think I just wanted to ask you both, kasi nagsulat ako ng outline eh. So,
Okay. Noted.
Okay.
no, because I think it's in our world today na parang it's the least in the priorities.
Oh,
And,
yeah.
I mean, I know that because, you know, as a hustler,
Hustler.
as a gangster.
Gas. Buhay ng hustler.
Huh?
Di ko din alam bakit sinabi yun.
Anyway, so why do you need rest?
Why do I need rest? Di ba ba obvious? Did. Ano, why do you need rest?
Yeah, why do we need to rest anyway?
Kasi ano eh.
See,
No, I think you touched upon it a bit. You're really being more receptive now in what's happening around you. And it's not just necessarily joy, although joy is very important. And we really miss out on that when your mind is when it's so clouded already with the things that you have to do. Kasi
Yeah.
di ba when you're a very busy person, one thing that will really, parang nagiging clockwork ka na you're always thinking of what's next.
yeah.
Like when you, like for example, if you're a very busy person, kahit na nag-recording tayo ngayon, yung utak mo,
Nasa
nasa
thing
next
na.
thing nang
Yeah.
gagawin mo.
Tama.
And sometimes you tend to forget na, may bago na palang aircon na SVR TV, ganyan. Or, alam mo yung mga ganun, ang ganda na ng set. Or, ang sarap naman ng food kanina ng Jollibee namin. Ganun. Alam mo yun?
May Jollibee kayo?
Nag-Jollibee kami.
Habang inaantay ka.
6-piece burger, steak, tsaka 4-piece chicken joy na
Sorry,
medyo
I don't
maalat
eat
yung
chicken
spicy.
anymore. Enjoy your chicken.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Anyway,
Anyway.
going back.
The rest teaches you now to, because when you rest and you don't do anything, you're in a way forced to see what's happening now
Yeah.
around you.
Be present.
present.
To be present and be receptive with what's happening
Yeah.
around you. And I think that's the important thing about it. Kasi when you're always so preoccupied with many things, you tend to forget already what's happening around you. And most of the time, nandun yung blessing ni Lord eh. Nandun
Oh,
yung paano
yeah.
kanya
Yeah.
paramdam na nandito ako, mahal kita,
Yeah.
nakita mo ba to? Yeah, and so that's the danger of having no rest.
Yeah.
So, if you just keep on doing what you do, although it's not wrong, it's not bad, it's just that kung wala kang rest, sooner or later you'll already overlook so many things around
Yeah.
you. Take things for granted.
I agree.
Go.
Ako. Sa akin siguro, like the importance of rest is, aside from that, na you're not like receptive to what's going on in the present, I think the lack of rest also, you shortchange yung kung ano ginagawa mo currently.
Oh yeah.
So like,
yeah.
because yun nga, parang iniisip mo na yung next thing or like pagod ka from the thing that you did before. So yung mabibigay ko lang, let's say for example, nag-record tayo ng podcast ngayon. Siguro mga 60% lang kasi yung 30% ko nandito yung, alam mo yun, parang may 10%
Yeah.
ako na iniisip ko yung next thing. So,
Disservice na siya.
disservice siya sa inyo kung
Yeah.
let's say like the whole time I'm not with you mentally and emotionally. But at the
Yeah.
same time, disservice din siya dun sa gagawin ko bukas kasi hindi ako prepared enough kasi may ganito pa ako eh.
Right.
Mm.
So
yeah.
I think
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
that.
Naalala ko yung sinabi ni Mr. Rogers.
Mm.
Favorite ko kasi yan. Yung Mr. Rogers Neighborhood ba yun?
Yeah.
Parang documentary. Sinabi niya kinakausap niya sa diner, sabi niya, in his Mr. Rogers voice, do you know who the most important...
Yung tuloy mo lang, ganda ka eh.
Do you know who the
Naantok na ako
most
eh.
important person in my life now is?
Mm.
Tapos
Who?
parang sabi niya, who? You. Because you're the person in front of me now. So I was when he said that, I was just like, wow, how
Galing.
So
often do
nice.
I forget that? That the
Yeah.
most, and it's also something that we really also believe na,
Yeah.
like the people God puts
Nilalagay in front of
yung
us.
mga nilalagay ni Lord.
Sa harapan namin.
the person that God puts in front of you is the most important person.
Yeah.
And it's an opportunity to actually love
Yeah.
the person by being present to
Galing.
what they're saying,
Yes.
what they need at the moment. So,
I-
yeah.
to just ride on, as someone who like values quality time
yeah.
so much, like number 1 ko siya sa love languages.
Mm.
And alam to ni Aya na mabilis ako magtampo kapag alam kong wala ka. Like you're here physically but you're not here mentally and
Like your eyes are
emotionally.
somewhere else. Like,
Yeah, and
Yeah.
parang
Mind.
if kunyari magkasama tayo tapos makita ko na nag-phone ka, nagtatrabaho
Mm.
ka, mabilis akong ma-hurt. Sa ganun. Kasi parang, yun nga, like sa akin, if I'm here with you, I'm gonna try my best to really be here with you.
yeah.
And in the same way, parang, that's also how I feel loved. How I
Yeah.
feel like you value me.
yeah,
Mm.
yeah.
Yun. So parang, the lack of rest in that angle also plays on to how we regard other people when we're
Oh, yeah,
together.
yeah. And I noticed that with you also, pag nag-uusap tayo, parang sabihin mo, parang you're gonna do something, but parang I'm just gonna allow you to do the thing. Tapos parang you're gonna go back to me and say, oh, so you were saying this. I'm like, oh, okay. And then then that's when I'm gonna also like continue the story. But I
Yeah.
see that na parang you're very intentional in parang tying it back and kind of making me feel like you were really listening. Yeah, I get that. Yeah.
Sorry, may dagdag lang ako. Hindi ko alam kung nagme-make sense to, but if you don't rest, you don't value rest anymore. Does it make sense? Like if clockwork na sa'yo na hindi ka nagpapahinga, yung mga binibigay sa'yo yung pagkakataon magpahinga, hindi na siya pahinga para sa'yo.
That's true.
Yeah.
You know
feel
what I'm
like-
saying?
I feel like it happens a lot. Kasi parang kunyari, ako personally, sakit ko rin yan. Like if I see na may bakante sa calendar ko, I see it as an opportunity to get something else.
Yan, mismo.
Like to get another opportunity or to
Diba?
do
Well,
something
I
else.
think because we are
Ga-agree si Jade.
experiential, we're experiential beings, and if we don't experience some things often, we don't see the value.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
So I guess that's what you're saying na if you don't value rest, you won't make time
yeah,
for
wala na. You won't make time for
Yeah.
what you value. Tama.
because it's not valuable anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
But I think now, especially in our season, like getting married,
And age.
Aging.
and age.
Mm.
But like in our context kasi parang ngayon mas nakikita na namin yung like yung araw na to wala kaming gagawin. Kailangan natin siyang i-grab as
Yeah.
something na wala talaga tayong gagawin kasi everything else is so full. So
wow,
like we're
I'm proud of you both.
thanks. It wasn't easy.
But you got there.
Took
We
us
got
years.
But yeah, kasi parang with everything else that's happening, if I still try to fill this day up with something else that I have to do,
Implode na talaga.
wala na hindi na kaya.
Yeah. Ako, I feel like I'm too much into leisure.
Now.
I think ever since.
Mm.
Ever since nag-start ako ng freelance. But I just really I get like into like a workaholic mode when it's something that I really really
Mm.
like.
Right.
Yeah. So kung ayaw pala hindi naman. Anyway, so then
Yeah.
so when I was also like 1 month pa nga lang eh. So but I feel like I've kind of learned so much also about saying no. Kasi nga,
Yeah.
people have been like messaging me also. Kasi di ba ang dami ng events ngayon?
Yeah. Yeah.
So, may nagme-message na parang, Vanya, can you lead worship? Ganyan, because it's like a special thingy like that. Or medyo, meron din na parang, kasi wala na talaga kami worship leader. Pwede bang, so I'm like, I wanna help you guys. But I have to help me first.
Yeah.
So,
You have to honor
ayun.
what you
Yeah, I mean, because this rest is not just a commitment to myself, it's a commitment that I said yes to the Lord. Na parang, because you've done so much in my life, I'm gonna honor you by resting.
Yeah.
So, parang, pero yun, ang hirap talaga because,
Oh, yeah.
of course, I mean, medyo sanay naman ako with boundary setting ngayon. Pero mahirap pa din eh.
Of
Pag,
course.
Yeah.
pag you have to say no, so I'd be like,
Sorry.
I would love to
Yeah.
be there, but I'm on a sabbatical.
Yeah. And it's not easy to explain to other people.
Oo.
Na parang you're saying no because you're gonna rest. Like you're not wala kang ibang event that day na bangga. So basically free ka.
Yun
Parang ganon.
nga, yun yung thought process, di ba? So ako parang, pakimaba. Joke lang, hindi naman
Lordo.
Joke lang kasi yun. Joke lang. So, parang, yung naisip ko lang kasi, parang, so with that, I mean, we all know at a certain point, there's a knowing in us when we have to say no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think the thing that I just want to talk about now is like, how do you say it? Kasi, like for me, I try to say na parang, I would love to be there, but I can't, ganyan.
Yeah.
So, sinasabi ko na lang na, hey, I would love to be there, but I'm on
Yeah.
sabbatical. But, next time, ask me again.
Yeah.
Para lang ma-register
Oh.
sa utak nila na
Yeah.
parang, huy, hindi
It
kita
doesn't mean-
dinedecline
oh.
ngayon kasi hindi lang kita bet as a person. Minsan kasi may
Joke. Joke lang yan, guys. Invite us anytime. We will say yes.
No,
Pag di
we
mo-
will say yes if the
Pag kaya naman.
situation permits.
Yeah.
Pag schedule.
So, kaya ako sinasabi, especially if they're like my friends.
Yeah.
Kaya ako
Oh, yeah.
sinasabi na for next time, pero next time, tanungin mo pa rin ako.
Yeah, yeah.
Para, just to kind of communicate na I'm still willing. It's
Yeah.
just that right
Yeah.
now, I'm honoring a commitment.
Yeah. Because it is a prior commitment.
Yeah,
Like,
it is.
Yeah, you've committed to have this time for yourself to rest.
Mm-mm.
And I feel like, siguro to answer the question, I would say it the same way, na parang, sorry, I can't right now. Something that I've learned is that not everyone needs an explanation.
Ay, totoo yan.
So, sometimes it's just, no, sorry, I can't.
Kaya mo yun? Oh my
Ako di ko kaya yun.
I cannot.
Ako di ko kaya yun.
Kasi
Nababaliw ko
I'm
sa
too
ganun.
much of a people pleaser. I'm
Ako
like,
din.
do you want a muffin?
I used to be like that. That
I'm
was
sorry,
my-
it can be there, but do you want Dunkin' Donuts?
that was my normal. Dati, as in,
talaga?
over-explain talaga. Na,
Oo.
parang sorry, I can't kasi nasabi ko na to, nagawa ko na to, ganyan, blah, blah,
Wow,
blah. I-explain ko
I
Let me
lang.
know how I can help
aspire.
you.
Would you want,
I'll look
uh,
for...
but you have to do a master class.
No, I'm still learning. Pero ngayon, parang I think that's the thing that I'm really trying to be more intentional about. Na, because I've made a commitment. This might sound petty or like whatever to other people. Pero I think that was last year. I've made a commitment to be as honest as I can be. Meaning, like, even the small things, I'd rather not lie about.
Yes,
So,
yes.
Kahit yung sabihin ko na parang on my way, nang hindi pa, nang nagbubook pa lang ako, I would rather say like, sorry, I'm
On
booking.
my way to booking.
Pwede.
On my way to being on my way.
Pwede naman yun. Or like even the smaller things na parang pag may nagtanong like, oh, how was the service kanina? I'm not gonna say no. Oh, you did well, but I'd rather say na parang, oh, I was blessed because I was blessed. But I'm not gonna tell you no. You were so great. You did an amazing job.
You're the star of the
Oh,
night.
so like
Ganun.
I've committed
Oh,
to
Jesus.
I've
Star of
committed
the
to
night.
being more honest in that sense. So
Yeah.
now, given that context, kapag may nagtanong sa akin na, oh, can we invite you to this, blah, 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 rather than saying na, oh, I would have loved to say yes, or I want to do this, but this, I'd rather say, sorry, I can't. Kasi paano kung hindi ko naman talaga minimin na, oh, I would have loved to go, pero gusto ko naman magpahinga.
Sucks lang naman, pero hindi ako
I think the kindest way to
the
do
most
it.
loving also.
Oo,
yeah.
is just to say na I can't. I
yeah.
can't. And then I would say na parang maybe next time this we could work on something. Or,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Uy.
May sasabihin ka ba? Or sisipain mo lang?
Kaya sabihin ko ba maninira ka ng set?
Sabi ko, ako, I respect the being honest and all that. But ako,
Ayo is, among the three of us, Ayo is the diplomatic person.
Yes.
That's why he's the he's the leader.
Sorry, to be clear lang. Syempre nilulugar mo yung ganun. Pag kailangan nila ng explanation, mag-explain naman
oh,
ako.
hindi ako lang kasi,
Ako itatry ko yung wala talagang reason. Guess the reason. joke lang.
I would tell the reason. Like ako, I would say no. But it's always out of trying first. As
Yeah, of course.
as long as na-exhaust ko na lahat
Are
ng
you a
options.
maximizer by any chance?
Well,
No.
it's more of, hindi, it's not on that. It's more of, I just really want to help. I want to
Yeah.
I also seizing the opportunity na, ang galing naman nito na naisip nila ako.
Yeah.
Nakakilig din. So might as well honor then the fact that
Yeah.
they needed someone in me or something that I can do
To
that
make it
Yeah.
to
possible.
make
yeah.
to make it possible. So, ako, I would say no. Pag ganyan, talagang, kung di talaga kaya, I would explain. But at the same time, tell them, no, the next time, you know, I'm game. Or let me know how I can help in any other way.
Yeah.
And instead of me being there physically, I can help you by praying or looking for a replacement, looking for someone who can do the same thing. And yeah, so
I think that would work, especially when you have the means to help out pa.
Oh yeah.
Kasi
yeah,
parang-
yeah. You have the
Ah, yeah,
network,
yeah.
you have the
Oo.
yeah,
Like,
tama.
for example, for me, parang if I tell you kasi na, parang, oy, sorry, I can't kasi ganito. Tapos, nagbigay siya ng option na, what if ganito? Hindi tayo matatapos
GG.
Alam mo yun? Parang, di ba, kanya sabihin ko, sorry, I can't tomorrow because I have something, kung in-explain ko lahat, I have something from 11 to 1. Okay, what if we move to 2? Hindi ko naman talaga kayang gawan siya ng paraan. Or like, ayoko
Tama,
naman
tama,
talaga
tama.
siyang puntahan.
Ako, yeah, I get what you mean. Ako ginagawa ko yun
Block mo
pag
na agad
gusto
yun.
kong Ay, grabe ka naman. Soft block. Hindi,
Pag gusto
joke
mo
lang.
gawa ng paraan.
Hindi, ako pag gusto ko talaga.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to communicate that, you know, if things were kind of just a little
Yeah,
More
yeah,
accessible
More
for you.
accessible.
Yeah.
it can happen.
Yeah, I agree. Exactly that. Siguro kasi parang, like in your case, na naka-sabbatical ka, if i-explain mo in detail lahat yan.
Oo.
Na,
Kasi nung last year, ganito.
Oo.
Tapos this year
Oo.
kasi ganyan. So, then,
yung pag sinabi mo na, nakasabatikal ako hanggang ganitong date na to.
mm.
Ganyan. So, tas sasabihin nila na, what if itong ganito? What if ganyan, ganyan?
Yeah, yeah.
Kumbaga parang, it leaves more room for disappointment.
Oh, yeah.
Mukhang kailangan mo matuto maging ganyan Kasi lagi ako nadadali ng ganyan
To handle
Bro, i-move namin
disappointment.
kaya ng ganito. Pwede ka.
Oo.
Hanggang sa pwede ako. Oo nga, no.
Oh,
Galing
kasi,
yung mga nag-invite sa akin,
feeling
Good
ko
job
kasi, ibabalik ko sa context natin, na ikakasal tayo. Na meron tayong timeline na sinusunod.
Tama.
Na kapag sinabi ko na, ay sorry, may errands kami sa ganitong araw. Okay, what if ganito? Hindi pa kami kasal nun.
Tama,
So, like,
tama.
nandun
Oo
pa rin
nga,
siya
no?
sa window na marami kaming iniisip.
Right.
Dapat no.
Yes.
Matuto ako nun Good job,
Nagda-notes
good
ka na ba dyan?
job.
Mag-notes ka na.
Wala nang bulsa ni Adrian dito. Pwede yung mga 3 notebook kasi dito. Ganda Kailangan na daw
Whirlpool daw, whirlpool.
Kailangan natin
That's exactly what I thought. I was just like,
whirlpool. Air flare tayo, mga dancerists.
Tornado.
Lalagyan
pinapasayaw ako ng walang...
Yun na nga pala, guys.
No, but...
Too much rest.
No, but yeah, so we have to kind of wrap up kasi,
Kinda pa lang.
Kinda? Well, yeah, this is the wrap up to the wrap up.
Okay,
Yan.
noted.
On
Yeah,
the way
yeah.
to wrapping up.
Anyway, magko-coding ka.
No, so,
Oo nga.
what I think just for this last part na lang, I'm not so the thing that convinced me about resting is not so much about the hala pag hindi ka nag-rest ganito yung consequence ganyan. I was more convinced when I read everybody should read the Ruthless Elimination of Her.
Yeah, oh my gosh.
You should read that book. So what convinced me to actually do the resting is like seeing the benefits or like
Yeah.
knowing reading about the benefits of it. So I think yun na lang yung last question ko. What is your favorite thing about rest when you do rest?
Favorite thing about rest while resting or like the fruit of it?
Anything. It can be both.
I feel like my favorite thing about resting is that I forget to perform.
Oh, that's so nice.
That I forget that I have to prove something. Because when you rest, it's just being.
Yeah.
Like, being
Yeah.
yourself with God, with yourself. Like, getting to know, like, what do I need right now? What do I need to do? What do I need to not do? Alam mo yan? But the fruit of it, my favorite would probably be getting to extend myself more for other people. Bilang acts of service na giving.
Yeah.
Parang, when I'm well-rested, I get to serve others more. Yeah.
That's nice. Thanks, Isa. Brother.
What's your favorite thing about rest if you do rest?
Dapat ko sa kanya ako tinanong yun eh.
Grabe.
When you do rest once a year, what is your...
Now, my favorite part about rest
If
is...
you had the chance.
when given the chance. My favorite part about resting is...
Wala siya maisip. Hindi pa kasi niya na-try eh.
ano nga
You
ba?
should try it.
May answer ako sa fruits Pero yung... My favorite part about rest, I guess, is that... My favorite part about rest is that it's so easy. As long as you... Sa mga ng dalaw to, pasensya nyo na, no? Itong magiging asawa at isang best friend namin, kilalang kilala ako. But, yun nga, my favorite part about rest is that... Stop!
Kasi pang 6 mo na ata na-start.
Okay, pang 7th. Ito na.
Oh, perfect.
Ito na yun. My favorite part about rest is that madali lang pala siya makamit as long as you actually make time for it. It's like, it's a gift that the Lord wants to give you as long as you deliberately
So in
do
short, madali siyang makamit pag mag-commit.
it. Yan.
Ay.
Good job.
Thank you.
And yung favorite part naman ng rest for me in terms of the fruits is I find myself that I can be way more effective at what I do
Yeah.
after
Yeah,
resting.
yeah, that's
I mean, it's a basic concept of recharging.
Yeah.
But for me, it's more of, dahil nga nakakapagpahinga ako, I get to now even mentally place better or i-compartmentalize better na, okay, for this time, I have to be here first.
Yeah.
For this time or this next span of ano, this is where I should be. So,
Right.
yun. It's recollecting
Yeah.
every time I get to rest. So, when I
Agree,
get the
agree.
chance to rest. But yeah.
Rest. You
Rest.
should try it.
Mhm.
Anyway.
Okay.
So for me naman, I think same with Isa. I think that my favorite thing about rest is just that it's the identity part that I get
Mm.
reminded na oh nga pala no. Like just if it's just me, I'm okay.
Yeah.
Don't need to compete or anything.
That's
And I think
true.
recently also my favorite part of it also is yung pondering.
Mm.
I get to like think about stuff in a deeper way.
Yeah.
Like because I've always wanted to be a deep person, deep thinker.
Okay.
But I just cannot do that
Ano
because
ba?
I'm just so distracted, so busy. So how can that
Yeah.
happen? My dreams
Mm.
have to come true, so I have to joke lang.
Right.
Okay.
no, so ayon and it of course and of course because it makes me like think more about the stuff I guess that matter and like
Yeah.
get to be clear about my priorities. Yeah. Come from a place. And then when when you get to extend yourself and live actually after that season of rest,
Mm-mm.
parang you live in a more loving way, willing to kind of extend yourself more fully.
Yeah.
Like-
So,
I agree.
yeah, if you want to be a loving person,
Rest.
you have to rest because it doesn't just happen also. Schedule it.
Yeah.
Schedule it.
Yes. Yes.
Put
Make
it-
time
put it
for
there.
it.
Si
Yeah.
Lord nga nagpahinga, ikaw pa kaya.
Oo nga, ayaw.
May narinig ako sa isang podcast na parang it's yung death ni Jesus, it's the wake that allowed us to rest. So parang pati doon he did something.
Yeah.
He did something so that we can actually truly rest.
Yeah.
And most of rest naman kasi is spiritual.
Yes, it is.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's
Or
spiritual rest.
all kinds of rest will lead towards spirituality.
Yeah. So, ayon, if you, I guess, if you, again and again, if you love, if you're a person who loves, be a person who rests too.
Amen.
Yeah. So that's it for this episode.
Yeah.
Thank you guys. See you next
Thank
episode.
you.
See you after 6 episodes kasi puro solo ni Bani in next 6.
ASMR.
Devotional ko lang.
Bye everyone.
Oh, devotional. Bye.